Acts chapter 12. For that time, King Herod catch some people wey dey go church come say he go kill them. He kill James wey be John brother with sword. When he see say the Jew people happy with wetin he do, he come arrest Peter too. This thing happen for the time wey dem dey do the bread wey no get yeast feast. When he don catch Peter put for prison, he put 4 soldiers for different groups, make dem guide am. Herod plan na to bring Peter out make he judge am for the old town front when Passover don finish. So as Peter dey prison, the people wey dey the church dey pray to God for am day and night. But for the night before dem go judge am, dem tie Peter with 2 chains and he sleep for 2 soldiers center. Other soldiers still dey the prison front dey guide am. God angel appear and light come shine for the prison. The angel wake Peter come tell am,
"Get up quick quick."
At once, the chains fall comot from Peter hand. The angel say,
"Wear your cloth and your sandals."
So Peter do wetin the angel tell am. Then the angel say,
"Wear your coat make you follow me."
Peter follow am go outside. He believe say wetin dey happen so na true. He think say na dream he dey dream. After, he and the angel come pass the first and the second soldiers group. Then dem come reach the iron gate wey go the town. The gate open by himself and dem go outside come waka pass one small street. Then the angel come leave am for there. When Peter see say all these things wey dey happen no be dream, he come say,
"Now I know say, true true, God send him angel come save me from Herod hand and from all the things wey the Jew people think say go happen."
When Peter eye don clear, he come waka face Mary house wey be John Mark mama, where many people gather dey pray for am. When he knock the door, Rhoda, one servant girl, come answer. When the girl hear Peter voice, he come dey happy sotey he no remember to open the door, but he come run go tell dem say Peter dey for outside. Dem answer the girl,
"You no know wetin you dey talk."
but the girl still dey say na Peter. So dem come say,
"E go be in spirit."
but Peter still dey knock, and when dem open the door see am, dem come surprise. He use the hand take tell dem make dem quiet and he come tell dem how God take free am from prison. He tell dem,
Make una tell James and all the brothers this story.
then he leave dem come go another place. When day break, the soldiers wey dey guide Peter surprise well well and fear catch dem when dem no see am again. When Herod tell people go find am and dem no see am, he question the soldiers wey dey guide Peter come command say make dem kill all of dem. Then Herod comot from Judea go Caesarea go stay. Herod come dey vex well well for Tyre and Sidon people. So dem gather go see am. But dem come first beg Blastus wey be the king officer make he help dem beg am, because na the king country dey supply food give their country. When the day wey dem gree to meet am don reach, Herod come wear im king dress and he come sit down for him throne dey follow dem talk. But as he dey talk, the people wey gather come dey shout.
Na God dey talk so, no be man.
At once, God angel come knack Herod fall for ground, because he no give God glory, and plenty worm come chop him body till he die. But God word continue to dey spread. Barnabas and Saul come go back to Jerusalem where dem don finish their work and dem take John Mark follow body.